Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Bull. Today we are going to talk about Pyth Network, and I am personally not invested in this project, and in this video I'm going to explain you why I am not investing in Pyth Network, as this is one of questions which I was asked in my Patreon, guys, as many of you asked me why I'm not covering Pyth Network. So here you go, guys, and I will explain you my reasoning why I'm not investing in Pyth Network myself. However, technology of Pyth Network is rather good, but let's go step by step, and at the start of this video I'm going to explain you what is Pyth Network, and then I will give you my reasoning, which is hidden in Tokenomics, why I am not investing in Pyth Network. So what Pyth Network is, it is a data oracle for financial type of applications which is built on Solana, and it is also very fast. Smarter data for smart contracts. So data oracle, this means that this is the data provider for different dApps, as you see. Secure your smart contract with reliable low latency market data for institutional sources, and build apps with high fidelity oracle feeds designed for mission critical systems. For example, Pyth Network oracle can be used for building real-time trading dApps where financial data or information about prices on different cryptocurrencies is very critical, and it has to be accessed and displayed by particular application or dApp in real time or very fast. In general, this project is very good. I like the project, I like Pyth Network, guys, but what I don't like about this project is its tokenomics, which we will talk about also in a second. And real-time market data anytime, anywhere. Pyth delivers real-time market data for crypto, equities, FX and commodities to 45 blockchains. And by the way, they are already serving about 200 apps which are already working, and Pyth Network is delivering this data from real-world applications, as you see, including Jane Street, CBO, Binance, OKX and Bybit contribute data to the network. And here we can see that they have 400 plus data feeds, 250 apps which are already built, which are already using, and on 45 blockchains with 80 million updates. This means that they are already providing 80 million updates or requests per day. So as you can see, technology is good, it is working, people are already using it. The main thing about Pyth Network is that they are able to provide this data very fast because it is built on Solana, and Solana is the fastest blockchain which is out there. And if you are interested, you can come in and read more information about Pyth Network. So in general, technology is very good. However, I think that this is a little bit overvalued. If we go now in and talk about tokenomics, we can see Pyth Network. Pyth is their token or ticker for this token. Currently its price is 50 cents. And why I'm saying that this is overvalued and why I am personally not buying into Pyth Network, guys. If you are in Pyth or if you are investor in Pyth, don't get angry at me, guys. I'm just here on Crypto Bull channel sharing my opinion, guys, why I'm investing or not investing in this or that project. If you are interested to know what projects I am investing in my personally, guys, join my Patreon, as here on YouTube I'm not covering all projects where I'm investing myself. If you are interested, link in the description, guys, and on my Patreon you can see all projects where I am investing. But now if we are talking about Pyth Network, as you can see, circulating supply of Pyth Network is 1.4 billion, and currently the price is 50 cents. And we have to keep in mind that bull market will start at the end of this year or second half of this year, or we are in bull market already, but huge pump in Bitcoin price. I believe that we will get only about 3 or 6 months time, guys. And Pyth Network, like I mentioned, keep in mind, guys, that currently circulating supply of tokens, they are have 1.5 billion, and total supply of tokens they will ever have 10 billion. At this price, market cap is already about 750 million. I'm not saying that market cap couldn't go higher, it couldn't go, let's say, to 2-3 billion or even 4 or 5 billion, but the problem is hidden in its tokenomics, in Pyth Network tokenomics. If we go to cryptorank.io, guys, this is the website I use for checking different cryptocurrencies, at what price they were sold on pre-sale, and Pyth Network in pre-sale were sold at 28 cents. There are huge amount of institutional investors. If we go into fundraising, here you can read more information or find more information about who invested in Pyth Network. Here you can see Multicoin Capital, like Delphi Digital, CMT Digital, and so on and so forth, guys. These are huge investors who got into the Pyth Network at 28 cents. And As you understand, they will definitely be taking profits in bull market, which will start whether this year or at the beginning of 2025. And the reason why I'm not investing in Pyth Network is because firstly allocation. If we look at token allocation, then as you can see here guys, 50% is ecosystem growth. So what does pretty much mean ecosystem growth? They have kept 52%, which is 5.2 billion for themselves to sell, to dump on people. This is just my understanding, how I understand it, because ecosystem grows. This pretty much means that they are going to use 52% of tokens, which is 5.2 billion from maximum supply of these tokens, to dump on people, to grow this project and, for example, to use it in development. However, as you can see, there are another 10% which are dedicated to protocol development. This means that they already have 62%, 6.2 billion, which Pyth Network developers can dump on people. And then we have publisher rewards, and in private sales there were sold 10%, which is 1 billion. And then there are other 6%, which are 600 million of Pyth Network tokens. Let me know your thoughts about what you think about this token distribution, ecosystem growth and protocol. So as those people who participated in private sales, they sold only 10% of these tokens. And now we have to look at how much tokens are in circulation. Like I mentioned, as you can see guys, currently in circulating supply there are 1.5 billion. And already price is hardly keeping 50 cents at this 1.5 billion. And if we even think about the project is nothing very special guys. This is simple data oracle, which is just providing data in one area, in financial area, for different financial type applications. And it already has 744 million and fully diluted market cap is already about 5 billion. This means that if their all tokens will be distributed. But now let's have a look at token unlocks and vesting period. If we look at token unlocks, you can see here guys that the next unlock is coming in less than 4 months, as you can see on 20th of May 2024. And if we scroll here down guys, here you can find more information about it, and they are going to unlock 1.8 billion of Pyth Network tokens. This means that in less than 3 months they are going to unlock the same or even more amount of tokens than are currently in circulation. So circulating supply of tokens pretty much will double. When they will do this unlock, there will be in circulation 3.6 billion guys. So think about it that in just 3 months, when they will do next unlock, this circulating supply from 1.5 billion tokens will double, and in circulation there will be 3.6 billion tokens. And then next unlock will be on 20th of May in 2025, when they will unlock additional 2.8 billion tokens, which will make circulating supply of tokens to 5.7 billion, and next one will be in 20th of May in 2026, when they will unlock 3.9 billion, and maximum supply on 20th of May will be 7.8 billion, and in 2027 all 10 billion of tokens, or 100% of these tokens, will be in circulation, and they will unlock. A last unlock will be very huge, when they will unlock, as you can see, 4.9 billion. The biggest problem for me is this next unlock, which will happen in 3 months, and that's why I am not invested in myself. I will just have a look what will happen with this unlock when they will unlock 1.8 billion, and when circulating supply of Pyth tokens will get to 3.6 billion. I believe that this 1.8 billion Pyth Network token unlock will cause a huge price push to the downside of Pyth Network, as currently, as like I mentioned, there are only 1.5 billion tokens in circulation, but in 3 months there will be 3.6 billion. This means that circulating supply of Pyth Network tokens pretty much will double. And these are one of my main reasonings that I don't understand this ecosystem growth, where these tokens are going to be used and how they will be integrated into the market, so as they have already left another 10% for development. So in general, this means that they will have 62% of tokens for themselves to sell on investors at any time when they will want, and last unlock, like I mentioned, this will be the hugest on 20th of May in 2027, guys. So yes, this is just my reasoning why I am personally not investing in Pyth Network. Let me know in comments what do you think about this project. As like I mentioned, guys, I like the project, however I don't like the tokenomics and token distribution of Pyth Network. That's why I'm keeping away from this project. So yes, hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.